Interesting facts about wolves.
Wolves Canis lupus ape or gray wolf are large mammals of the Canis genus, native to Eurasia and North America. More than 30 Canis lupus subspecies are recognized, and gray wolf refers to untamed and wild subspecies in colloquial speech. With an average weight of 40 kilograms for males and 37 kilograms for females, wolves are the largest living members of the Canidae family. They range in height from 105 to 160 centimeters, and their shoulder height is between 80 and 85 centimeters. Wolves are distinguished from other Canis species by their less pointed ears and muzzles, as well as their longer tails and shorter bodies. However, since they are closely related to smaller Canis species, such as the coyote and the golden jackal, they can breed together to produce fertile hybrids. The striped fur of the wolf is usually white, brown, gray, and black mottled, but subspecies living in the Arctic regions can have almost completely white fur. Among the Canis species, wolves are the most specialized species for pack hunting due to their physical adaptations to cope with large prey, their more social nature, and their highly developed self-expressive behaviors. They wander around as a nuclear family consisting of a pair of male and female wolves with their cubs. When the cubs reach sexual maturity and in response to competition for food within the pack, they can separate and form their own packs. Among the most important causes of death among wolves, which are also territorial, are fights to protect their territory. The wolf, which is primarily carnivorous, feeds on large ungulates living in its natural habitat, as well as smaller animals, farm animals, carrion, and garbage. The success rate of wolves that hunt alone or in pairs is generally higher than wolves that hunt in large packs. Pathogens, parasites, especially rabies, can make wolves sick. The global wolf population was estimated at between 200,000 and 250,000 in 2018 and is considered a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN). Hated and hunted by most pastoralists because of their attacks on livestock, but respected by some agricultural or hunter-gatherer societies, wolves have a long history of human interactions. Although fear of wolves is common in human societies, most recorded cases of wolf attacks on humans have been committed by wolves infected with rabies. Due to their relatively low numbers, their remoteness from humans, and their experience with hunters and shepherds, wolves rarely attack humans. What you need to know about wolves. Wolves are fast and agile animals. They can run at about 50/60ths of a kilometer per hour. Wolves have a sense of smell from 3 to 5 kilometers away. They smell their prey from this distance and find it by following its tracks. Howling at night is one of the easiest ways to understand if there is a wolf around. One of the wolf species found in Turkey, the gray wolf, is on average 80 centimeters tall, has a 30 centimeters tail length, and weighs 20 to 30 kilograms. Interesting facts about foxes. Fox is the common name of approximately 24 species of living beings classified in 7 genera within the Canidae family. In contrast, the living being most commonly referred to as fox in the Western world is Volpes vulpes, or red fox. It is part of the canid family. The lifespan of this species is 3 to 4 years. There are species such as red fox, sand fox, carson, Bengal fox, Arctic fox, Afghan fox, South African fox, and desert fox. The fact that foxes, which are omnivorous creatures, are found on almost every continent has led to their presence in the popular culture and folklore of many peoples. They kill their victims, mostly rodents, with a quick bite. They feed on many different small animals, plant foods, and carrion. They can also feed on birds that build their nests on the ground, chickens, rabbits, insects, and fish. They rarely hunt deer or piglets, and in very difficult times, they can also eat amphibians and reptiles. Foxes are also known to enter coops and steal chickens. Some foxes follow highways and feed on the carcasses of animals run over by cars. They are described as cunning people in fairy tales. Foxes can feed by hunting creatures such as birds, mice, chickens, and rabbits. Insects also play a very important role in foxes' diet. Foxes do not attack people unless they are very hungry. Information you need to know about foxes. Foxes are creatures that depend on nest life. Tree holes, rock holes, and bushes are ideal nesting areas. During the spring months, which are the breeding season, mother foxes and their cubs prefer to hide in their nests. During this period, the father hunts and brings food to the mother. This is the period when they are most protective and sensitive. It is important to research whether there are fox nests near the place you have determined for camping. The length of an adult fox, including its tail, is around 1 meter. Its length is 40 centimeters. These animals, which weigh an average of 7 to 9 kilograms, are agile and fast. They usually hunt alone and wander alone. If you come across a crowded fox coop, this is a group consisting of a mother and her cubs who are teaching their cubs to hunt. When they have cubs with them, you may encounter a more aggressive attitude, like all other creatures with a protective instinct. Foxes are omnivorous animals. In other words, they are both carnivorous and herbivorous. They hunt at night and are rarely seen during the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.